Welcome to Quilt Like an Artist, Lucy and me, a co-created quilt story. As I sometimes do, I started with a printed eye and auditioned fabrics that I thought might go with the eye or eyes that I like. In this case, I'm using not only my own fabrics, but a quilt top that was pieced by my friend Lucy Senstad. Here are the steps for I1. I'm piecing this improvisationally, looking at the printed eye for inspiration. And here's I2. Here I'm starting to assemble the face. And once I have the face assembled, I put it back up on the design wall with all of the fabrics I had chosen at the start. And then I needed to take everything off of the design wall for another reason, and I tossed these pieces on my table, and when I did, the blue eye really stuck out to me, and I thought, I'm going to replace the pieced eye with the blue eye just because I can. Here you can see the pieced eye laying to the side, and now I'm starting to play around with some ideas. I'm sketching out some concepts, I'm playing around with existing blocks, and I am contemplating how to use Lucy's quilt. And here you can see I've taken that giant step and cut into her quilt top and have integrated it into the face and the dress, and I've blended her quilt top with my fabrics. Here I'm auditioning more fabrics because I wanted to balance the lightness of the face with something else in the quilt. And these fellas are what I'm calling the totem pole, the totem side of the quilt. Here's some of the doodling quilting I do. These faces are called what I call one-liners. And one-liners is something that artists do where they draw something and they don't pick pencil up from the paper. It's the exact same thing that you do when you're quilting. You can't, well, I guess you can pick the needle up, but most of us don't want to. And here she is, all quilted. I'm not going to say she's finished because there's still something that needs to be done. And as you know, I've been experimenting with coloring in faces. I'm not sure that's the solution for this quilt, but I thought I would show the quilt to you at this point because maybe she is finished. It's one of those unknown things. When you know it's finished, you know, and right now I'm not convinced. So you may see her in the future. Until then, thank you for watching. See you next time.